Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 148. Today we're going to look at the difference between invent and discover. Okay, yeah, this is another one. Sometimes students get mixed up. Let's look at the note first. When someone invents something, they are the first person to make a particular type of a machine, tool, etc., or to create a process. So they either create a physical thing or they create some sort of a system or a process. Okay. So let's look at a couple of examples of invent first. Thomas Edison invented the light bulb. Well, that's a physical thing. Yeah. So he was the first one to create it. He put it together. He discovered how it worked. So he invented the light bulb. Abner Doubleday is credited with inventing baseball. So this is a game. It didn't exist. He put it together. He created it. So you say he invented it. All right, let's look at discover, because discover is the one you're a little more likely to make a mistake with. If something is discovered, someone finds it for the first time, either by accident or by purposely looking for them or looking for it. So let's look at the first example where somebody might use it incorrectly. Will they ever invent a cure for cancer? You shouldn't say invent here. You should say discover, because more than likely it's going to be some sort of an herb or something like that. You're not inventing a machine. You're finding some sort of a mixture or a substance that would probably lead to the cure of cancer. So you wouldn't say to invent a cure, you would say to discover a cure. All right. And then, of course, we use cure for things like this. This is a good example. Marie Curie discovered radium and polonium. Of course, these are elements on the chart. They always existed before. She didn't invent them. She just found them and recognized them and named them. So therefore, she discovered them. Or if it was a piece of land, for example, even though in the past we've given Christopher Columbus the credit for discovering America. We know, a lot of natives were here, but the point is that if it was a piece of land that was found for the first time, somebody that again that land was there. You didn't invent it, you discovered it. So if it's a substance or something that was in nature, but now you found it, now you recognized it, then you say you discovered it. Okay, I hope you got it. I hope it's clear the difference between the two. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.